Tired of AI avatar with only watermark or hidden costs, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a professional talking AI avatar 100% free or watermark free. You still not believe me? Let's not say you yourself.
Hi there, I'm Diana. If you want to learn how to make a talking avatar like me, then you're at the right place. Nazira has simplified the step-by-step tutorial for you. Watch till the end to learn, not to miss any important part.
Now you believe me, right? She was created using the exact method I'm going to share with you guys today. If you're shy our camera, don't want to show your face, or maybe don't have the right fancy studio setup to film yourself, you can make the avatar say whatever you want. Vested channels like this are making thousands of dollars every single month without even showing their faces. And you are rocking single sport AI avatars talking like free people. But what if I tell you there's a way to make your own AI avatar for free and with zero watermarks, no hidden tricks, and there's one I want to show you today. Most people don't even know it exists. And the incredible part is you will learn how to create great images, how to create natural sounding voiceover. My best method to turning your avatar to video, and the best part come to the home watermark. Trust me, you don't want to miss this masterpiece I'll bring it to you today. So guys, it is time to get started with step number one. First step is we're going to head over to Leonardo.ai. I know most of you already know about this AI tool. It's used to generate or create images, and we're going to use this tool to generate our image for our avatar. And this tool is actually free and also playable. You actually have 150 points, 150 coins for free. And if you run out of your 150 coin, you can actually wait for the next day, or you create a different account, a different email account to register. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on image. We have to insert your prompt. So I already have a prompt that I wrote in somewhere. I'll just take the prompt and paste here. I'll copy my prompt and I'll paste my prompt here. So this is our prompt, a stunning hyper realistic 3D render. Actually, this prompt, if you want to change, you can actually I did it for email, and if you want to change, you can also change and put a female. I'll actually leave the prompt under my description. You can actually get the prompt, and what you have to do is you also have to arrange it and put your own words what you want it to look like. Or you can help, or you can use the help of ChatGPT to generate your prompts for you. And I will select 16 by 9, the dimension. I'll select 16 by 9 because I'll be using it for YouTube. And if you want to use your avatar for TikTok or any other platform, actually, you're not going to select 16 by 9 because 16 by 9 is mostly for YouTube. And the number of images is 4. And how many coins are we going to use? We're going to use 39 points to generate this image. And what the next thing we have to do is to select our image preset, which I will choose cinematic keynote. It's good because it's going to give us that cinematic look kind of video. What we have to do now is just have to click on generate and wait for a while so that our pictures might load. It will take a few minutes. And our pictures are ready. Let's take a look. Yeah, this one is good. This one is also good. So all the pictures are actually good and it look realistic. You guys can see, right? So this is what we are going to use to generate our picture. You just have to download, choose the one that suits you. I'll choose this one. I like this one the most. And you click on download. You actually save it on your device. And that is it for our step one. And our step two is we're going to use this AI tool called Care.ai. This tool we're going to use to enhance our image that we generated with Leonardo. The reason why I want to use this tool is because we want to make our image more realistic and giving that cinematic good look that we want on our video. You can do a lot of things with it. AI. You can actually generate images, you can actually generate videos from generate videos and read them. But what we are going to use here is just we are going to use enhancer. We should click on enhancer, open. You're going to upload your image. The white one to upload. Voila. Our image has successfully been uploaded. So What we have to do now is just to enhance the image. Just click on enhance. Allow it to load for a while. It will take you for just for a few minutes and it will be done. And our image is done. Oh my god. So guys, this is the image we uploaded with Leonardo A we created with Leonardo AI, right? You guys can see this is it. Yeah, let me drag so whether you can see this is the image. And after enhancing the image, click drag it left. Oh my god. Let's see the result. The result is so good. It look realistic. The hair, everything is nice. It's looking good. I bet you can also see the one we created with Leonardo was a little bit blurry and wasn't that presentable, very looking good. But after enhancing it, see, it looks naturally different, like a real person. Guys, you have to subscribe to my channel. This is a banger I'm bringing to you guys. So what you have to do is just download the image to your browser, to your device, and that's all. Let's move over to step 3, and we are going to be using youtube.ai.com, which is this tool we're going to use to generate our video. This tool is actually pretty good. I've used it several times. It's also free, and somehow some tools are payable, but we also have some limited coin to generate videos and so on. We also have, our strategy, right? If you run out of points, you just have to log in with another account and start generating, or you wait till the next day because you have a limit points to use per day. But if you run out of those points, you can just wait the next day or use a different account. So what we're going to do is go upload, and we're going to upload our image. Choose file. This is our enhanced image here. Sorry, open. To wait for a while so that you can look. And this is our image. It's ready here. So what now you have to do is to add your AI voiceover, and you can choose file here. If you already have your audio, you can just add your audio. If you if you want to write your own voiceover, your own script, just paste your script here and choose any voice you want from here. But I'm not fancy of the voices here, and I'm going to be using a different tool to create our voiceover, which is what we're going to be doing next. Next step is we're going to use text to speech to open AI to generate our natural sounding voiceover. This is the best when it comes to voiceover. And the reason why I like this website is the reason why I like this tool is because it has natural sounding voices. So what I'm doing, I'm just signing in my account. If you don't have an account, you have to sign up to create an account before you can use this tool. Here we are. Here we are going to type your text, what you want your avatar to say. We're going to put in your script here. I'll just place something like this, and you can actually post up to 3,000 words. And what I just insert here, my script was just 74 words. So, and what you have to do is you have to search for your voice, the one you want. These are the voices here, and I already have my best voice that I actually use. You also have to listen to the voice and choose the one that fits what you want to say or fit what your content is about. You can test all other voices and you choose. Just head over to favorite, and I'll select my favorite voice. I'll select this tone. Actually, I have a good natural voice. Create speech. Click on create speech. Go to history. You listen to your voice and you go over and download it on your device. And that is it for creating our natural sounding voice cover. So you come back to google.ai.com and you choose file. What you're going to do, you're going to upload the audio you generate from OpenAI. Here, this is our voiceover, and click on generate. Actually, I have 6.8 remaining credits, and if I'm out of this credit, I just have to wait for the next day or create a different account. I'll click on generate. The video is ready. You just have to head over and download it on your device. Let's check the results.
Hey, I think you should subscribe to Nazita Lim for more content like this.
Without watermark. It kept on like this without watermark. And I'm still going to show you guys how to remove watermark from a video, because most of the tools that are free won't always come with watermark. But this tool is free, but it's coming without watermark. What an incredible thing, right? And we are going to head over to that, and which is our last step. To remove watermark is VN editor. This is actually the tool I use in editing my videos. You guys know that CapCut is mostly pro now, and this tool is actually free. I use it in editing my video. I just go and click on add project. I'm showing this because in case if you in future, if Dripload.com decide to add a watermark on their videos, you will also have to then have to remove. That's the reason why I'm showing this, and you will know the video we generated doesn't have watermark. This is a video I did with name.ai. I generated with name.ai. It was actually cool, and but we kept out with the watermark. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on peep here, add sticker or something like up there, and use again this video. You have to adjust so I fit the video on the screen. So it fits very well. Now what you have to do is blow the peep video you adjusted up. You just have to look for the blur effect. This is a blur effect, and I will blur it. Yeah, this is it. Correct. So what we're going to do, we are going to max. We're going to look for search for the truth, and I will max the video. I'll choose rectangle. I will max the video. You have to move it up, right? Just cover where the water. This is the watermark, right? Just move it right where the watermark is, and adjust. And you can see there's no watermark. And that is it. You're going and I'm talking about it totally for free and without a watermark. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss whatever is coming next. And if you're watching the end, comment avatar post below so I know you're part of the real ones following the journey. I reply to every comment, so let's connect down there. See you on the next video.